हाँ, तो देखिए लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली विधानसभा में द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्रोवाइड फॉर मैक्सिमम ऑफ 500 मेंबर एंड minimum of 60 member of the legislative assembly. However, smaller states like Goa, Mizoram, Sikkim, etc. have less than 60 member. The governor can nominate one member to the legislative assembly if the Anglo-Indian committee remains unrepresented. The number of members is fixed by Parliament in proportion to the population of the concerned state. Thus, a populous state like UP has 404 members in its assembly. The qualification of the members and their tenure are similar to member of Lok Sabha. Election में the member of the Vidhan Sabha are elected by people directly on the basis of universal adult franchise. The system of secret ballot is followed. Term. The Legislative Assembly is elected for a period of 5 years. The governor may dissolve it earlier if he finds that first a motion of non-confidence is passed against the Council of Ministers and no other minister is formed, or second, there is constitutional breakdown in the state. He advised the President to dissolve the Legislative Assembly and impose President's rule. The Governor may also dissolve the Legislative Assembly on the recommendation of the Chief Minister. The term of the Legislative Assembly can be extended by the Parliament under the special circumstances. Speaker of Legislative. Speaker of Legislative Assembly लिखें. The presiding officer of the Legislative Assembly is called Speaker. Deputy Speaker presides over its meeting in the absence of Speaker. The Speaker and Deputy Speaker are elected by the member of Assembly from amongst themselves. They hold office till the new Assembly elect new Speaker and Deputy Speaker. They can be removed from office earlier also by a resolution of the House. The Speaker presides over its meeting, maintaining discipline and decorum in the House and ensure that the House functions smoothly and according to rules. Now, look at the Legislative Council Vidhan Parishad. The Legislative Council is the upper house in a state legislature. The Constitution has fixed the maximum strength of the Legislative Council as 1/3 of the total strength of the Legislative Assembly. Subject to a minimum of 40, the Legislative Council of Jammu and Kashmir has over 30 members. It is permanent body as it cannot be dissolved. 1/3 of its members retired every 2 years and the elections are held for vacant seat. The term of office of a member is 6 years. Qualification: a member of Legislative Council should be citizen of India and at least 30 years of age. he has to fulfill all the other qualifications as specified by the parliament. Composition में देखें, unlike the legislative assembly, the legislative council is not directly elected body. Its composition is as follows. 1/3 of its members are elected by the member of legislative assembly of the state. 1/3 of the members are elected by member of local government body, municipal or district board. 1/3 member are elected by an electorate consisting of university graduate residing in the state. 1/12 of the members are elected by an electorate consisting of the teachers of secondary school, college and university. Fifth, 1/6 of the members are nominated by the governor of the state. These members are distinguished individuals from different spheres of art, literature, social work, etc. Presiding officer. The member of the legislative council elect the chairman and deputy chairman from among themselves. The chairman is the presiding officer of the legislative council. In this absence, the deputy chairman conduct the proceedings. They remain in the office as long as they enjoy the confidence of the majority and may be removed by resolution passed by a majority. Function of the state legislature. Function में देखिए, legislative function. The state legislature can enact law on 61 subjects contained in the state list and on 52 subjects include in the concurrent list. In case a law passed by state legislature is contrary to a law passed by the union legislature, the central law shall be prevail. When the state legislature is not in session, the governor can issue an ordinance and same is considered when it is in session. The most important power of the state legislature is the control on the state executive. The chief minister and his council of ministers can remain in office so long as they enjoy the confidence of the majority of the members of the state assembly. The assembly may pass a non-confidence motion against the council of ministers if a bill moved by a minister is defeated in the house. It is also considered to be a vote of no confidence. In both the case, the state ministry has to resign. Limitation on the powers of state legislature. कहते हैं, bill on certain subject cannot introduce in state legislature without the prior approval of the president. Bill on certain subject passed by state legislature cannot be signed by governor and have they to be sent the president for the consideration and assent. The governor of the state can reserve any bill passed by the state legislature for the consideration of the president. Position of legislative assembly. Position of the legislative assembly is very strong. It enjoys all the legislative powers of the state. If there is legislative council also, it is very weak. Before the legislative assembly, it has control over the legislature and also on the state executive.